If you live in the Denver or Castle Rock market and you belong to an HOA, you're going to definitely want to check this story out. Then please leave your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear them.
Now, people living in communities with HOAs have told us their fees are also going up. Tonight, one example we want to share, homeowners in Castle Rock's Latigo neighborhood near Metzler Ranch will see their HOA fees skyrocket next year. That's after the community insurance premiums rose 600%.
Olivia Young is your reporter for Douglas County, joins us live from that neighborhood tonight. And Olivia, why the dramatic increase?
Well, Karen, the HOA's management company tells me it comes down to high property valuations and Colorado's extreme weather. They say when they tried to find cheaper coverage, they were turned down by insurance carriers. So now that cost will be translated to the homeowners.
I remember trying not to pass out.
In early November, Sybil Swope received a notice from her HOA. Her dues were going up.
And it was a gut punch. Our dues are $300. They're going up to $820 in 2024.
That's not yearly or quarterly. It's over $800 a month.
That's my mortgage payment. My mortgage just doubled.
Swope was expecting an increase amid rising costs and increased property values in Douglas County. But nothing like this.
It's not something I have in the bank. It's not something I thought about.
And she's already paying for her own home insurance.
That policy only went up 11%.
The HOA's management company, KC and Associates, says the community's insurance premium went from $197,000 to $1.36 million, a near 600% increase. The community's insurance broker says inflation and recent natural disasters have created a perfect storm in the insurance world, where there's a massive demand for coverage and limited capacity. And this community is designated as high wildfire risk due to its location.
I feel like they dropped the ball.
Swope wasn't the only resident floored by the increase. The community formed an insurance committee and vetoed the initial budget plan. But now, Swope says the HOA is proposing front-loading the increase as a special assessment.
I am absolutely hoping to veto this.
The HOA board will meet on Saturday to ratify this new proposal. 116 homeowners will need to be present and vote no.